always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing.
Hi everyone! So today I got a package from the Saddle Box, not sponsored, but I really wanted to share it with you guys what I got in it. As you can see, I haven't opened it. I just went to the post office to pick it up and I was so excited to show you guys that I couldn't wait. So we're gonna open it up and we're gonna see what I got. Smile, your saddle box is here. I am very excited. So as you can see, it's just got the card. It shows some of the other people that have gotten them. And I'm definitely going to be sharing a picture of me with my horses. If you want to follow me at FGH_training, I'm going to be posting the picture there. Ooh, so we got some mint treats. Neymar absolutely loves mint treats, so I'm really happy. I really like these ones. We also got, looks like sage soap. Oh, that smells really nice. And it's got a little horse and cowgirl on it. We also got some vet wrap in blue. Oh my gosh. I love this stuff. I absolutely love it. I will be using this on my saddle as well as my boots. Oh, we got a cute little bandana, as well as, ooh. Oh, that is a really soft face brush. Beautiful. And we also got, oh my gosh, a shedding blade. This is so good because my other one got really dirty, so now I can have two. And then we also got, ooh, a magnet. Aw, this is so sweet. And then we just got a bunch of peppermints, which I'm headed up to see my horses right now, so they are going to absolutely love that. So as you can see right now, I live in Ontario and we're in the middle of a blizzard right now, so I'm not really doing too much riding with my horses. That is not super good weather to be riding in, let alone driving. So I'm gonna head up to the farm now to see my horses, and I'm gonna take a picture of them with their saddle box items, and I'm gonna post that on my Instagram. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video, and I'll see you next time.